Okay.
Okay, working on the consonant sound at the beginning of words like she. Could you say that for me?
She.
Good. Shall.
Shall.
Really, really good. Shut.
Shut.
See if you can focus a bit more on the vowel. Shut.
Shut.
So after you've done the shut, let go of your lips and focus on the very back of the throat. Shut.
Shut.
Shambles.
Shambles.
Good. Show.
Show.
So really letting go of that. Focus on the O. Show.
Show.
Good. Shout.
Shout.
Good. Well done. Shift.
Shift.
Good. Shall.
Shall.
Good. Shatter.
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 It's expanding here for the vowel, the weak vowel at the very end. Shatter.
Shatter.
And not opening so much at the very end, because mine's shatter, yours is shatter rather than shatter.
Shatter.
There we go, much better. Well done, you'll press stop.